Hi guys, Nikki here, welcome to my art channel. Hope you're all doing well. So that first colour is TLP Sea Glass. Gorgeous frosty green. That's TLP Brulee, which is an interference copper. You can just see it on the black. Now this is a mixture of Dioxazine Purple by Atelier and TLP Sequins. So it's really shimmery. Nice deep purple. See the shimmer. And this one is Golden's Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold, or as everybody calls it, QNAG. And this is Folk Art Colour Shift Purple Flash. Now my cell activator, it's titanium white, my mix of Atelier and Amsterdam, equal parts of both. And I wondered what would happen if I put a blob of this Pearl Violet by Amsterdam in it. I'm not expecting you to see it, seeing as though titanium white is opaque. But I thought, well, we'll see. You never know. If you can see a little bit of the violet shift in it, the interference shift, that would be quite nice. But yeah, I like the outcome of this, but I don't think it made any difference putting that Pearl Violet in. Okay then guys, I'll let you carry on watching.
Never been so strong with anyone. Never been this sure I found the one. Never felt this safe with anyone. Finally found a place where I belong. But now I wonder what is wrong. What's on your troubled mind? There's one thing I want you to know. I
look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions, sharing stories that we never had. Yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them.
Wow, how about these colours together? I love the way that QNAG looks over white. It really glows, and I think it's gorgeous with purple. Really happy with these colours together. Hope you like it too, and if you do, please hit the like button, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider it. It's free, and then you'll know when I put out a new video, and you can hit the notification bell and YouTube will let you know. And everybody take care, and any questions, ask in the comment section below. And as always, everything will be listed in my description box, all the colours, everything I've used, etc. So everybody take care, stay safe, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks for being here, guys. Bye.